Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Equation. Today's question is square root 7 plus square root 45. We have to calculate its value. So first of all, write down the question 7 plus square root 45, square root 7 plus square root 45. We can write this 45 as the product of two numbers. 7 plus square root 45 can be written as the product of 9 and 5 square root. So in the next step we can write 9 and 5 in separate square roots. So we will write 7 plus square root 9 times square root 5 whole square root 5 whole square root. So in the next step we can write square root 7 plus square root 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by square root 5 whole square root. So in this step we can multiply the expression 7 plus 3 times 5 square root. We can multiply this expression by 1. 1 times 7 plus 3 square root 5. 3 times square root 5. So here we can write for 1 we can write 2 over 2, because 2 over 2 again will cancel out with each other and it will give us 1 again. So there is no difference if we write 2 over 2 times 7 plus 3 times square root 5 whole square root. So in the next step we will multiply 2 to this expression. 2 times 7 plus 3 times square root 5 over 2 whole square root. So now multiply 2 with this expression. We have 2 times 7 is 14 plus 2 times 3 is 6 square root 5 over 2 whole square root. So here we can write 14 plus 6 can be written as 3 times 2 times square root 5 over 2 whole square root. So from here in the next step we can write this 14 as the form of 9 plus 5 plus 3 times 2 square root 5 over 2 whole square root. So here this 9, first of all this 9 can be written as 3 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. We can write 3 square in for the 9. So our expression will become 3 square plus 5 plus 2 times 3 times square root 5 over 2 whole square root. So it will be equal to 3 square plus, we will write this expression first. We are going to arrange this expression. We will write 2 times 3 square root 5, and then we can write this 5 as square root 5 whole square, because this square will cancel out with the square root. We will get again 5. So divided by 2 whole square root. So 3 square, it is now if you look at this, it is a form of the formula which is very commonly used. I'm going to write down that formula. We have if a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So we are going to use this formula. If we have this form on the left hand side, we can write the right hand side, a plus b whole square. So here we are going to write down here a, it is equal to 3 plus square root 5. So because here 3 is a, our a is 3 and b is square root 5. Square root 5. So here we got then 3 plus square root 5 whole square over 2 over 2. Now we can write this expression in this forms: 3 plus square root 5 whole square root over 2 square root. So this can be written as, this 2 will go with the square root, we will get 3 plus square root 5 over square root 2. So here we will multiply by square root 2, multiply and divide by square root 2, multiply and divide by square root 2, and we will get here square root 2 times 3 plus square root 5 over square root 2 whole square. In the next step we will write, we can write it square root 2 times square root 2 times 3 times square root 2 plus 5 and 2, multiply by 5 and 2 we get 10, divided by square root will go with the 2 and we get 2. So it is the final expression. So we can write, our given expression was square root 7 plus square root 45. 7 plus square root 45 whole square root, it is equal to 3 times square root 2 plus square root 10 over 2. It is the final expression. It is the answer to this question. That's all about this question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions. Till the next video, bye.